Hello everyone, I'm Chandan Soni. In this video, we will learn to make scale drawings. First sum is from CB9 exercise 17.2 question number 1. Before we begin with the actual drawing, let us draw the rough diagram. So question is, a ship leaves harbor and sails 80 km on a bearing of 120 degree. So first thing you will draw is the north arrow. Okay, so suppose this is the harbor, I denoted by the letter H. So let us read the question again. A ship leaves harbor and sails 80 km on a bearing of 120 degree. So bearing, that is an angle of 120 degree. The distance traveled is 80 km. It then sails 100 km on a bearing of 030 degree, that is 30 degree. After traveling 80 km on a bearing of 120 degree, the ship sails 100 km on a bearing of 030 degree. So first you will draw the north arrow. Okay. The bearing angle is 030 degree, that is 30 degree, and the distance traveled is 100 km. So I repeat, ship sails from the harbor on a bearing of 120 degree, travels a distance of 80 km. After that, the ship sails at a bearing of 30 degree for a distance of 100 km. We need to make a scale drawing of this ship's journey from H to, suppose we name this as I and this point as J. From H to I, then I to J. Okay. Then we will do the B part and C part. So let us begin. So first of all, take any point over here. I remind you, this is a rough figure. Now we are beginning with the actual scale drawing. So first thing is, we will draw the north arrow. Now we need to draw this length of 80 km on a bearing of 120 degree. It is not possible to draw 80 km on this page. So what we can do, instead of 80 km I can represent 80 km as 8 cm. That is a scale of 1 km is represented by 1 cm. So in actual it is 1 km. On a scale drawing it will be 1 cm. So for 80 km we will draw a length of 8 cm. At what angle? At 120 degree. So place a protractor this way. Now mark the angle 120, start from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So we have just marked the angle. I need to represent 80 km, that is I need the length of 8 cm on this drawing. So you can keep the ruler this way. Okay. Or else you can use a protractor. Make sure that these 2 points lie on the ruler. So from 0 to 8. So this is 8 cm on the scale. Now the next bearing is 030 degree. So at this point I need to take the bearing of 030 degree for a distance of 100 km. Before taking this bearing, what I need to do is I need to draw the north angle. Okay, so we need to be very careful with that north angle, north segment. So what you can do, this angle is 120. So this angle, the angle over here has to be 60 degree. Why? This north and this north both are parallel to each other. They should add up to 180. Place the protractor. Start counting from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So north arrow is ready. Now at this point, that is at I, this is H, on a bearing of 0, 30 degree means 30 degree, place the protractor this way, 0, 10, 20, 30. What's the distance? 100 kilometer. So 100 kilometer will be represented by 10 centimeter. Place the ruler this way, such that this point and this point should lie on the same line. So I'll keep 10 over here. So bearing of 0, 30 degrees, this point is J, this length is 10 centimeter. So mark the arrows. So what is the first part? Make a scale drawing of the ship's journey. Use a scale 1 centimeter representing 10 kilometer. Okay, 100 kilometer for 10 centimeter means what? 10 kilometer is 1 centimeter. That scale is used over here. What's the B part? How far must the ship now sail to return to the harbor? Harbor is H. From J to H, how far? Means we need to calculate distance. So first keep the ruler over here. Measure this length. Okay. Or you can draw the dotted line, or you can join this. It's up to you. What is this length? This is 12.7 centimeter. Our answer is not 12.7 centimeter. We need the actual distance. So what we are going to do? We know that 1 centimeter is 10 kilometer. Okay. So what will be 12.7 centimeter? First you multiply it by 10. 127 kilometer. So what's the distance? 127 kilometer. How far must the ship now sail to return to the harbor? The answer is 127 kilometer. What's the C part? What bearing must the ship now sail on to return to the harbor? On what bearing? Okay. Now again I need to draw north arrow over here. You can use a protractor, or you can just take an estimate of the north arrow. I need the bearing means what? I need this angle. Okay. Clockwise from here to here. Now protractor cannot measure more than 180. So what do? You measure this angle. Zero, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is 112. Okay. This is 112. So what's the bearing? Bearing will be 360 degree minus 112. So what is that? 248 degrees. So what is the answer? 248 degree. So to return to the harbor, the bearing will be 248 degree and the distance will be 127 kilometer. Try to draw the same scale drawing on your own. Pause the video in between if needed. Okay. Thank you.